What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to create images and turn them into videos using the Grok AI app on iOS. It's actually super simple, so let's jump right in. First things first, head to the App Store and download the Grok AI app. If you already have it installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. When you open the app, you can log in using your X, also known as Twitter, account, or your email. One quick note, if you're an X Premium Plus user, make sure you log in using that account to get full access. Once you're logged in, open the app and look at the top of the screen. You'll see two tabs. Go ahead and tap on the one that says Imagine. Now you'll see a bunch of images on your screen, each with a prompt attached to it. If you want, you can tap on any of those images and edit the prompt to change how the image looks, but if you want to start from scratch, just type your own image prompt into the prompt box and hit enter. After a few seconds, your image will be generated. From here, you can download it or share it directly. But if you want to take it a step further and turn it into a video, just tap the Make Video button right below the image. Give it a moment and your video will be ready. And it doesn't stop there. Grok lets you generate different styles of videos like custom, fun, normal, and spicy. The spicy mode is meant for more mature content, so keep that in mind. There's also a speak to video feature which lets you use your voice instead of typing. Just tap the speak button next to the prompt box and start talking. And that's pretty much it. That's how you go from an idea to an image and then straight into a video using the Grok AI iOS app. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.